Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the Black & Decker BDST1609 3-in-1 stick vacuum cleaner. If you want more information, please start the video. Features: 21.6V lithium battery power is ideal for daily cleaning around the home. Included 3-in-1 tool transforms into a crevice tool, brush tool and wide mouth tool. Removable floor head can be used on hand vacuum to increase pickup performance. Removable washable dirt bowl and filters allow for a thorough, hygienic clean. The Black + Decker 3-in-1 stick vac features multi-purpose versatility with easy conversion to a hand vac for all your cleaning needs. It also features swivel steering for ultimate maneuverability around furniture and corners. The stick vac comes with a handy crevice tool attachment and stands up straight for easy storage. Perfect for dorm rooms and apartments. 21.6V 3-in-1 lithium-ion stick vacuum is an affordable, versatile and powerful solution to your vacuuming needs. The powerful motor provides the suction needed to clean any light mess with ease and efficiency, while the extra long runtime of up to 38 minutes provides the versatility to clean large areas on a single charge. With a 16.5 feet cord and weighing less than 3 pounds, you can easily take it everywhere. No maintenance costs with washable filters. Transparent, easy to empty 0.65-liter dust cup. Effectively clean between cushions, under car seats, and easily pick dust bunnies and particles from any surface. Freestanding, this stick vacuum cleaner embodies the ergonomic design and low center of gravity, which makes cleaning even more comfortable. To optimize the cleaning performance, all you need to do is clean the foam filter regularly. The Black & Decker 3-in-1 lightweight handheld vacuum stick vacuum is great for hardwood. This is a corded electric vacuum cleaner, as long as it's plugged in, ready to go. Pros: multi-purpose attachments offer an effective overall cleaning. Detailed user manual makes it easy to assemble. The 2.75 pounds lightweight build makes it easy to maneuver and carry. Cons: fragile material build quality. Ordinary suction power.